If you are looking for the best wind generator for camping, we have listed these top 5 best wind generators for camping to help you choose the one that suits you perfectly. Links to the products mentioned in the video are in the description below. Number 1. Most popular. SHZOND Wind Generator. If you are looking for a simple, effective, and affordable wind turbine for your RV, then the SHZOND Wind Power Generator is something to look into. It offers decent performance with rated power at 400 W, the voltage at DC 27.5V, and the battery voltage of DC 12V. You will get enough power to source your RV. The wind turbine comes with 3 blades that are made of PBT. The SHZOND's wind blades offer a startup speed of 2.5 m/s, and the rated wind speed is 12 m/s, and the overall speed is 800 r/min. Moreover, the high power utilization comes with low vibration, ensuring minimal noise operation. The blades use glass fiber. Number 2. Eco-worthy 800W Solar Wind Power Kit 800W. Next is the Solar Power Kit by Eco-worthy. Boasted with excellent features and specifications, it is considered the best wind solar power kits available in the market. The kit comes with a 400-watt rated power turbine along with a 100-watt solar panel for comprehensive performance. It is an ideal product for moderate storms and mid-range wind speeds. It is a lightweight product with high-quality blades. Along with the 800-watt wind turbine, there's a hybrid controller, facilitating ease of use. The controller comes with a 12V/24V auto detect feature. This allows you to connect the battery with the controller and then link the solar panel and turbine to the controller. It is a perfect choice to charge the off-grid 24V system. Number 3. Dyna-Living Wind Turbine Generator. The first RV wind generator on my list is a powerful product encompassing a 400W wind turbine and comes in 4 variants based on your preferred power rating. The wind turbine offers a robot operating temperature range between 4°C and 8°C. The blade features a copper inlay cover, so you do not have to worry about damaging the nylon fiber while tightening the bolt. The structure displays a strong build, therefore, you can rest assured that the turbine is not being broken or damaged quickly. To ensure that the motor runs efficiently without too much noise, the blades are designed with aerodynamic structure. Moreover, the coil is manufactured by using Teflon wire, which is heat-resistant and ensures an adequate power generation rate. Number 4. Automaxx Windmill DB400 400W Turbine Generator. If you do not want to pay for installation and are up for a DIY challenge, then I suggest you look into this windmill model. Don't worry, you get all things necessary for installation within the package itself. This windmill holds the potential to operate at 28 of wind speed and produce up to 400 watts. The products come integrated with MPPT, which is used to convert DC current into AC energy. It also comes with automatic braking systems that protect against extreme wind speed and overcharging. One of the things I like about this windmill is that it is worth the price. It does not demand excessive energy and works perfectly well for an RV. The Windmill DB400 is designed using polypropylene and glass fiber that offers resistance against high wind, voltage surge, saltwater. Number 5 of Marsrock Small Wind Turbine Generator. The next RV wind turbine that I would suggest is from Marsrock. The small wind generator for RV comes with 3 blades that are designed using nano nylon glass fiber. You will also find a 3-phase AC generator that integrates a case designed using die-cast aluminum. The overall structure is made using rust-resistant as well as weatherproof galvanized steel. So, when it comes to solid and durable design, this product truly impressed you. The blades are suited for land as well as the marine environment, and it can harness high wind energy while generating low vibration. It can also automatically modify the inward speed. The rotor measurement stands at 140 cm diameter. The wind turbine comes with a 3-phase permanent synchronous magnet generator.